Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMi device to Motorola Moto E6S. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and download those free apps from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your XIAOMi and Receive over here on Motorola smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and click Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and send them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Motorola, tap on one of those options, click on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to input key, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!